You do that. Say what up. It's your boy Dude Mungus. We about to jump into this episode, but right before we do, I just want to let you guys know it ain't as easy as you think it is. And remember, this is a judgment-free zone. Something happened in this video that was not planned. It was unscripted. So again, I just want you guys to know this is a judgment-free zone. What you guys are about to see, there was a random person that came out, which is actually a subscriber of the channel. Came out, it was not scripted, had no idea they was going to be out there while I was doing some testing. They came out there, they have some of your typical mods. They have a mail-in ECU flash, and a little other things here and there. I believe it's like a slip-on and an air filter. Again, nothing crazy, but this will show you the difference of a setup bike versus a non-setup bike. Again, judgment-free zone. All that being said, we're about to jump into this video. Again, I just want to preference, this is a judgment-free zone. This is no hate on anybody or anything like that. This is showing the difference between a setup bike and a non-setup bike. And the way the race goes is the way it's supposed to go, okay? Again, not hating, judgment-free zone. Nothing's wrong with anybody. Ain't nobody make me mad. We good to go. Judgment-free zone. Let's go.
Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Dude and dudettes, yes sir, it's your boy Dude Mungus, man. That bike out there, daggone running, man. Y'all seen it, bro. Back over 200, that 200 lifestyle, man. So that's where we're gonna stay. We're waiting on Reaper and Trill to get out here, and then we're gonna get back out there and do some more pulls. I just want to get a top end pull just to see what the bike is doing. So we checked the draggy. I'm gonna have to check the GoPros and see what those said, because I really don't know which GPS we should be going with. Maybe I should get a Garmin and try that up. But for a daily vehicle, you know, with miles that be being putting on it, bro, this is, you just really can't ask for anything more than this. All right, dude, do that. So we're getting out, we're about to go do a couple test pulls. I have two gentlemen with me. You guys don't be too hard on them. Their bikes are not set up for road racing at all. So this will go just to show you the difference between a setup bike and a non-setup bike. I believe to my right it's a CBR 600, and to my left is a ZX10, which realistically makes more power than what the bat does. It's just setup is key.
let's go. Holy crap, this bike is moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't be too hype about beating the bike that's not set up, bro. It's not, yeah. There's no bragging rights in it. But I can test my dragging number though, which I forgot to do. That was like a 4.0 hit, and I'm running like 3.6s to 3.8s. Super lazy on the hit.
Low end grunt, but that's it. Not to say that it ain't a good track bike though, but it's not. But it's not as fast. All the old vintage bikes, they got it fast. They call it vintage.
Oh, we about to get out of here. Get out here with Reap. Y'all know I've been testing against this man like forever. So this is gonna be the true test to see how this bike has progressed, because I probably have more test time with him than at literally anyone else. Probably between him and Hitman, that's probably where I got the most test time at. So we gonna see what it do, man. Yeah, bike is super rowdy today because of the cool weather too, so it's gonna be fun. So you got the Bat and you got Raven. You guys know Raven set up. So this is just gonna be fun, man. We've been going back and forth for a minute, so this is gonna be fun. Let's do it. Get these bees off my daggum bike.
Hey, when we get out there, I'm gonna do a hit up the hill.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. Cool. We about to see what it do, make it do what it do. Go give Reaper a chance to get a couple test pulls in. Well, I have got some test pulls in, but I don't feel like I'm on it today, honestly. But if the bike is doing what it's doing, it's running 3.6s to 3.8s, and then still running 4.0s when it's like a math run. So the bike is, I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to do. But I don't know, this cool air, I can't lie, this cool air got me a little nervous today, because that bad boy is rowdy. Raven look good, bro. This is like one of the best looking R1s. Woo! over it, boy. Ready? Oh, I missed the gear. Dang. The 4-5 shift messed up. It ain't nothing like hitting with somebody, bro. It did hit with my brother, bro. Like it's making me go. It is seriously making me go. Your camera good? Oh, dude, this joint is rowdy today. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there, man. That was good. He got a jump on that one. I thought we was gonna head nod. Holy crap. So second just rolled up. Whew. Did you see? That's good. Holy crap, that's good. Wow, that's good. That's good. I had to get out the throttle because that truck kept coming up. You got to learn how to ride, Mungus. Sheesh. You going at the guardrail? That's a good ride. I know it happened. Hey, Kim. That's a good run, bro. Oh man, that's a good run. That's good, bro. That's good stuff. Oh, that's good stuff. Reaper running, bro. Reaper be running. You want to head back and want to do a couple more?
We can do up and down and go back.
And then go back? Okay. Woo, man, you got to get in it, bro. I'm a little soft on the hip because, one, we're on the head knob, but two, this bike is rowdy today. Oh, yes, sir. This bike is rowdy today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Boom shakalaka. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake. Namake. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.
Yes, sir. Didn't do that. Got the bat in the background. Got my Nicky Boy toy, flannel 2.0. Got my Air Mid Edition, license to ride pants. Oh, look at that thing back there. Look at that thing. Hold on, let's zoom in on that thing. Ooh.